Sometimes, all it takes is one taste to bring everyone running. Rich tomato goodness, vibrant color, and irresistible flavor. From stew to joblé rice, sauces, and more, just a sachet transforms every meal.
Mommy, is the food ready?
When the flavor is right, every plate becomes a moment worth sharing. Verva tomato paste. Open, cook, enjoy.
So today I'll walk you through on how I was able to create that commercial ad that you just watched right now. You can see how it feels like a real human advertisement, but of a truth, it was actually created using AI. So that's what I'll put you through on how to create an advertisement ad like that particular one. So on today's tutorial, I'll walk you through on a particular AI that I use, and that AI is able to create any kind of UGC adverts that you are looking for, be it clone adverts, viral adverts, human adverts, UGC products, whatever. Anyone that you can think of, you can create it using this particular AI that I will soon be introducing to you. So if you are interested in knowing how I was able to create it, stay with me to the end, because at the end I'll show you how you get the prompt, because I divided the prompt in two sessions, both for longer, because the first one I found out that this particular app could not carry more than 2,000 character words. Okay, so I had to divide the prompt into two. So for those of you that always ask me for where is the prompt, I have made the prompt available, and that is the reason why you should see how I was able to use and exactly how to implement it. Okay, so before we start, this is
AI Mastery Tutorial.
So let's quickly dive into this platform. The platform we are going to use today is called Nestify AI. Yes, Nestify AI. Over here on my system, you can use it right there on your phone and also on your PC. But for me, I'm using it on my PC today. So come over, let me show you how I did it. So link to this website is right there on the description box, and it's necessary and important for you to use it, because while using the link, it will give you free 30 credits for you to start to test run it. And after you create your first content using Nestify AI, they will add up another 30 credits, making it free 60 credits, all for your use. The content that you make right there on Nestify can be saved for you for up to 6 months. It can be on your profile up to 6 months before it's being deleted. Okay, so let's head over and see how it is. So right over here now, this is the platform. You can see it. They have different type of cloning that you can use. You can create video ad, you can create listing images, viral cloning, avatar videos. You can even do lip syncing. Your avatars can talk. You can see they have UCG product videos. Okay, so many of them. You can even have image cloning. You can see commercial designs. You have commercial advertising, unboxing and recommendation videos, which is mostly used for usages. Okay, and any kind of adverts that you want to create, this AI is designed to make adverts, to make it easy for you using AI. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did here now. So what we are focusing on now is creating video ad. Look at this one here. This is the one that I use, creating video ad. So you can see it is right there, and I'm using reference to video. Okay, now I click on this add button to bring in my images. Okay, to bring in my references, like you can see my hero image, you can see the product, you can see the product, the woman and the family. Okay, I open it to drop it. Now why I use images for this product is that so that I will have a consistent character and maintain my products. Okay, so right there on the prompt, when you collect the prompt, make sure you edit the prompt. Don't let it be exactly the same thing that I create. All right, so what I need to do here now is to go over to where I drop the prompt. You can see this particular one here. Remember I told you earlier that I split the prompt into two. You can see this first prompt here. This one has timing, where if you you decide to use a different AI tool to create it, so you can follow it according to the timing. Then I still have another one that suits this particular AI. Okay, when you open the second one, it's going to show exactly like this. What you need to do is to remove this first heading here. I just use this heading to differentiate the two, okay? You can take this one off and then you highlight everything. For me, I'll highlight everything and copy it. Then for you that is not creating the same thing, you can just use the idea, how I position the prompt, okay? Use it to create your own by editing the prompt. Edit it to suit your own product, okay? Now that I've copied my prompts, I have to drop it here in the box, okay? I drop it here. Now, this place that I read, use image 1. Delete this use image 1 and press art. You can see when you press use art, if you press art, it's bringing out the images, your reference images, so that you pick the particular image that you want to reference, okay? Now I'm referencing my product. You can see that. I go to use image 2, simply type on art, which is my second image, the woman, then my image 3. I have to reference it using the family background. You can see the way I reference. This is exactly how you are going to make use of the prompt that I dropped for you, okay? Now, after that, the next thing is to choose our model. We are going to choose our model. The good part is that on this Nestify AI, they have bring in the Seedance 2.0, which is the latest AI model in the market that comes with 30 seconds per generation. Just like this video that I showed you earlier, I know every one of you like it, which I used CapCut earlier to do. But today I'm still going to use it inside Nestify AI. Yes, they have it there. So we'll choose Seedance 2.5. And over here where you choose your aspect ratio, I'm using 16 ratio because it's YouTube. You can choose your own aspect ratio, okay? Now the duration, I shift my duration to the end. You can see it here, 30 seconds, okay? And how many video are you going to generate? Please can leave your video in 1 so that you not burn out your credits, okay? So I leave it in 1. So after that, the next thing to do is to hit generate. Once you hit generate, the video will start generating. The video will start generating. In a few minutes time, your video will be out. And you can see right here, our video is ready. Look at it here. It's ready. And what you would like to do here is to download the content. Download it by clicking on this download button. You click it, it will save right there, either on your phone or on your PC. You will have it. So let's play it again and see how everything comes out.
Sometimes all it takes is one taste to bring everyone running. Rich tomato goodness, vibrant color, and irresistible flavor. From stew to joblé rice, sauces, and more, just a sachet transforms every meal.
Mummy, is the food ready?
When the flavor is right, every plate becomes a moment worth sharing. Verva tomato paste. Open, cook, enjoy.
Today, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to give us a thumbs up so that YouTube will see that people actually like the video. It will give us enough visibility if you give us a thumbs up. And also send your comments on the comment section. I'll be ready to attend to you anytime you drop a comment, okay? So see you again. I hope this content was very useful to you. If it was, let me know in the comment section. See you again and bye for now.